So look at this. There is a chopper flying right up the road. That is crazy. It looks like it's clearing out the sand. Holy cow. I think my hat is gone. It's alright, I'll buy another. Well, I've never seen anything like that before. I've never seen anything like that before. That was wild. What did they drop?
Hungry?
I'm sorry? Oh, no, I'm good. I got plenty of food. I live up above. I'm good. But so what did they drop? Food?
Yeah.
Oh,
Picture of them?
it's amazing.
That's their way of saying
You're screwed.
we're not coming to get you anytime soon.
Holy cow.
I got my knife.
My goodness. Wow.
Flat tires.
Yeah, that's why I need this one off the back. But look, there's this lock and lug nut thing, and the heck if I can find it. So I'm going to have to go steal another one off of the truck over the...
Wow. All right.
Oh, I just paid
Military
$56 for
MREs.
this. Oh, whoop, upside down. Oh well. Let's see.
Just rip the cardboard.
That's crazy.
Oh no!
Yeah,
We
they,
had
Well,
a bean explosion. Let's see what we got here. Marinara sauce and meatballs.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
for you. And red
Yeah.
sauce gives me heartburn.
well,
Brisket entree.
yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. I don't want to haul it up the hill,
I
but
hear ya.
fair enough.
Yeah.
wow.
That one is.
Hey, that's pretty good out of all that.
Yeah. No,
That'll last
There's
you a
plenty of
while.
other
Their
shit in
beef
there,
stew.
too.
That'll last you a while.
Smells very beefy.
Doesn't,
Yeah.
you'd
The
like
dog
some
will eat
too.
it. She'd love it.
I like beans and military food.
Oh my gosh.
900 calories in one lick.
Probably.
You lived there
Keep you
just
going
before
for it.
Wolf, right?
Oh, no, I live way up top. I live on Peakview Road. So.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, so you want that?
Do you have any
Well, it's the courtesy of the
idea
U.S.
when they're going to
military.
get that road open up there?
You know, I don't know. I haven't gone to look at it. I have no idea. I just have no idea.
I got to go get a
I know. You know what? Here's what I know. The road. What I do know is that the